So, hello friend, this is Vikash. Sir, Selesh sir has not been able to join today because of some important work he had. So, we have 40 people right now. So, a great topic. Yeah, a great topic. Get solution for the biggest problem faced by investors: selection of quality stocks. So those who are new to this webinar, like who has never attended our webinar and has not taken subscription from value stocks of value stocks yet, uh, are you guys really facing this kind of problem that selecting a stock like market zoom today? Okay, so yeah, whether we, how many of you guys were searching for a stocks that okay कौन सा stock आज ले लूं जो बढ़ रही है? Am I audible, friends? Am I audible? Yeah, thank you. Udaji, please check your system. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the market rose today. Market rose today. So who all felt that okay, if I would have someone or if I would have some great tool which can provide me. See, there are number of stocks in the stock market, but let me ask you a good question that there are 1600 plus stocks in stock market. Are they all good quality stocks? Are they all good quality stocks? We have uh, we have 48 people right now. So most of them are good quality stocks. Somebody is writing no. Okay, not at all exactly, Aditya Sharma ji. So they are not good quality stocks because all these stocks cannot be of a great quality. Okay, all these stocks cannot be of a great quality. And market like today, when market has given a fall, and after a fall when market is going up, investors, we innocent investors, no issue Uttam ji, thank you for joining the webinar. So uh, innocent investor like us, what happens? We try to find stocks, we try to buy stocks, and we do not, if we do not have a good tool which can confirm that okay, these stocks are of great quality, you can invest in them. What happened? We just go and see our blue channel, which is like CNBC, or there are many such channels, Z Business and all, Awaj, so CNBC, Awaj and all, where we see the tickers of those stocks, those are rising. So we invest in that kind of stocks. Who all are doing these kind of things? When I did not had that tool with me, that understanding with me, uh, I used to do that. Anybody in the group? कि आप लोग क्या ऐसा करते हैं जैसे आज बाजार इतने दिनों की गिरावट के बाद जब बाजार आज बढ़ना शुरू करी तो एक होने लगा ना कि मुझे अच्छे स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट करना है, बट अच्छे स्टॉक में इन्वेस्ट करना है ये हमारे मन में सवालात ही रह गए. The query stays in our mindset, but what happened? और हम लोगों ने क्या किया? What was the step that we have taken? Looking at media, looking at the person has said Sanjeev Kumar Nair ji, that looking at media, looking at TV, जो stocks 10% 15% बढ़े हुए थे, चलो यार इसी में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. ऐसा हो जाता है. एग्जैक्टली. सो फ्रेंड्स, इसलिए बहुत ही जरूरत है हम लोगों को जानने की कि अच्छे क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स क्या होते हैं. दैट्स ग्रेट सूरज चंदा जी, इफ यू डोंट बाय. बट जनरली मैं बता रहा हूं, जनरली आई एम सेइंग दैट देयर इज अ इशू विद इन्वेस्टर्स, देयर इज अ इशू विद द, देयर इज नो इशू बेसिकली, देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ टूल, देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ हेल्प, whether I should say, because markets में ऐसे tools available नहीं है. There is no such tools available in market which will help you, which will help you to get quality stock instantly. Okay, so we have 72 people right now. So most of you must have attended our webinar earlier, maybe knowing what is that tool, how you can use. But those who are attending for the first time, for them, let me reveal that tool for you. So first, before going to that, can I have the yes or hand raise, though, who are attending this webinar for the first time? Can I have raise of hand, or if you can write on chat, those who are attending this webinar for the first time? First time, Atul ji, okay. First time, okay. 5 people are for the first time. Only 5 people, rest have joined earlier also. So no issue. First time, 5-6 people, okay. 6-7 people are for the first time, and other have attended this webinar earlier also. So the point is, so most of the people must be knowing what is it. So we'll again tell you what it is. See friends, it's very important to invest in a quality stocks. Why? The reason behind investing in quality stocks is that many times do not stays for a longer period. Sometimes there are dips in life also. We experience some kind of sorrowness or some kind of dip, you can say a temporary dip, but yes. And in that temporary dip, if we are broken up, okay, if we give up, what happened? When again the things will revive, when again things will become better, we are not going to do well. Okay, a little philosophical, but very real, because stock market and our life goes like similar. सो अगर आपने अपने लाइफ के अंडरस्टैंडिंग को अपने स्टॉक मार्केट में लगा दिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा. अगर हम लोग अच्छी चीजें करते रहते हैं, अच्छी क्वालिटीज के काम इन्वेस्टमेंट करते रहते हैं, इवन इफ दैट डिप कम्स, you will be confident of holding those stocks with you. Okay, especially for those who are new. Let me tell you once again, please invest in quality. Do not go by price movement, go by sales of the company, sales growth of the company. So let us discuss what are the parameters. Okay, so there are 4 parameters which decide the quality of the company: sales growth, profit growth, return on equity, and free cash flow. Okay friends, we have 80 people right now listening to me. I would request, make these 4 parameters mantra of your life. If you are an investor, even if you are a trader, and most of the traders are buy side trader who enjoy buying stocks, and that there's no harm in it, because 70 to 75% of the market stays on buy side. Okay, like 3 years back, the price of Nifty or today is up. The price which Nifty had 3 years ago, today price is up, and after 4 or 5 years, it will be new highs. So because markets are always on the buying mode, always rising mode, that is the reason. If you are if you are even trading and staying on buy side, there is no harm in it. But you need to know, okay, you need to invest in good quality stocks. So what will happen in trading? You will stop making losses. So this webinar is only for investors. Okay, so just to inform you, just to make you understand that even if you are trading, you should invest in quality stocks, you should trade in quality stocks. Okay, okay, भावेश जी will be speaking both, हाँ, no issue. कुछ important points मैं हिंदी में बता दिया करूँगा. पहले मेरी बात थी आपको, मैं जो बोलना चाह रहा था आपको, जो मैंने अभी कहा, कि जब भी आप अगर ट्रेडिंग करते हो और या आप इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हो, तो दोनों ही केसेस में आपको क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की बहुत ज्यादा दरकार है. क्या रीजन है, क्या कारण है इसके पीछे कारण ये है, हमेशा अच्छा समय नहीं रहता है. जिस तरह से हमारे लाइफ में हमेशा अच्छे समय नहीं रहते हैं, वैसे स्टॉक मार्केट में खाली तेजी नहीं रहती. कभी कभी डिप आती है, और उस डिप पे जैसे हमारे अच्छे लाइफ अच्छे टाइम में अगर हम लोग गिव अप कर दें, तो वापस से जब हम लोग रिवर्स करते हैं तो हम लोग अच्छे पोजीशन पे नहीं पहुंचते हैं, हम लोग और डिफिकल्टीज में आ जाते हैं अच्छे, वापस से डिप के बाद अच्छे समय जब आते हैं तब। सिमिलरली अगर स्टॉक मार्केट में गिव अप करने का मतलब क्या है, जब हम लोग निकल जाते हैं स्टॉक से, और हम लोग कब निकलना पड़ता है हमें स्टॉक से, जब हम लोग खराब स्टॉक्स अपने पोर्टफोलियो में ले लेते हैं। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तब हम लोग को फॉलिंग मार्केट्स में स्टॉक से निकलना पड़ता है, बिकॉज स्टॉक्स 50-50, 60-60, 70-70, 80-80% गिर जाते हैं। लाइक एग्जांपल रिलायंस पावर, there are many example, Reliance industrial infrastructure, then there were sometime PSU banks. What happened, the stock went on falling, so what happened, you gave up. Okay friend, so what happened after, like you invested at one price of 200 and stock has now become 100, you hope that that stock will go up, and from 100 it become 30, then 50, 30, 20, and after 2-3 years you find it okay, it's trading at 20, 30, no point of keeping, or you take advice from any advisor and they will say, sir, this is a kachra stocks, then you think of, let's remove it. Okay, ab ho gaya. So you exit that stock. So this is a kind of give up. Why you need to give up? Because you have kept on investing in a poor stock. If you keep on investing in good stock, what is the second scenario? If you are in good stock, at a particular time stock will go down by 10-15%, like say for example SDFC Bank, if it goes down by 10-15%, okay, and if you are keeping it, there's no issue, you are not disturbing your investment. So what will happen, after falling 10%, it will again rise, again market will rise, it will again, like today it rose, SDFC Bank, good companies rose today fantastically. So this is what happened with good quality stocks. Okay, so आपको repent नहीं होता है कि why didn't I sold this stock, because they are keep on going up. Now how will this stock, how can a stock keep on going up? The stock will keep on going up on these 4 parameters. If anybody can write on chat, we just discussed what are those 4 parameters on which I'm talking about Reliance infrastructure, industries, infrastructure related something. I'm not talking about Reliance Industries, Om Prakash. Okay, yeah. So anybody can write those 4 parameters that will define the quality stocks. We have 100 people right now. So let me tell you again: sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. So now a quick task. We have 102 people. If you can write this 4 parameter on chat, friends, it will help you to keep in mind that, okay, I need to follow these 4 parameters. I know this will be asking more, but if you 102 people can write this 4 parameters on chat, that will be great. So 102 people, only one person, Aditya Sharma ji, has written the 4 strong parameters that help in identifying quality stocks, and that will help you to make profit in your portfolio, friends. This will help you to make great returns in your portfolio. I have one video, I will not be able to showing today because of lack of time, of Nilesh Shahji, where he's explaining clearly how you can create, how you can double your money in 4 years. Okay, and he has not explained much about quality parameters, but in bits and pieces, he has said that one should only invest in quality stocks, great sales, great profitability, great return on equity, and great free cash flow. Friends, please make these 4 parameters mantra for your investment. Make these 4 parameters mantra for your investment. We have 102 people. See, India is too big. There are 1.4 crore people who are investing in stock market, actively investing or trading, and hardly people are following these things. Please, for and more, the third way of remembering these 4 parameters is to guide your friend that please invest in the based of these parameters. Please invest on these four parameters to increase wealth. And friends, this will not only increase wealth of yours. Let me tell you one thing. This is a kind of social responsibility we are doing. The company which is growing, we are helping it to grow further by investing in those companies. The companies which is growing, which is doing good sales, which is doing good product, which is creating good product, we are helping it to grow further. So it's a win-win scenario that we can create with our investment. Okay. Okay. So there's an easiest way now. There's an easiest way for identifying these quality stocks. So friends, let me take you to, we have 103 people in Zoom right now. So there's the easiest way we can do this. This is via valuestocks.in. Most of you guys may be knowing this website. Those who doesn't know about this website or are listening for the first time, they can log in. I'm sending you link for this website. The website link is valuestocks.in. Okay, the website name is valuestocks.in. Now let us straight away go to this website. Okay, so immediately friends, our purpose, how did we started this journey? This journey started from uh, from this question. What was what was that question? The question was, uh, people used to struggle for those few names of companies that can do well in future, that will have quality. Okay, I there one we have 109 people right now. How many of you are really struggling to know that okay, we are revolving around those 4 5 stocks, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, uh, I don't know, 3 4 more stocks, we are revolving around it. So how many of you are struggling when market is going up? How many of you ask your broker, यार बताओ कौन से stocks लेने हैं? And you are not relied on a good or authorized person who is an expert. How many of you struggle with this? Can I have yes on chat? How many of you struggle with that name, with that 4 5 names while market are going up? Okay, only one person. All 107 people are okay. So are you guys really want to know when market are going up that yes, I can invest in this? Really want to know? As a fresher, okay, I'm fresher, okay, yes, yes. So friends, कितना एगर होता है हम लोगों को उस समय, और हम लोग क्या करते हैं, what we do, who is a broker or who is a dealer or who has no research on any company, they suggest us, okay, buy this. किन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है? Who all have experienced this? Who all have experienced this, that his broker or a dealer, and what can be the chance, what is his chance of making money for you? What is the return? Or you know, you don't require a chance. I think you guys have experience. No, zero is not correct, the energy. I think 30%, 20%, 50%, uh, uh, it's like luck by chance, that okay, they got it right. 50%, so you are either making money or you are losing money. So this is a kind of scenario is happening with the investors. Okay, where अंधेरे में we all are in darkness while investing in stock market. So friends, please stop investing in this darkness. Okay, we have a tool. That tool is dedicatedly made for you guys. I don't think there is any other such tool which is available in the market like Value Stocks, which can provide you a quality of a stock instantly. So let us go one by one. Okay, if we click, there's one thing which is known as select winning stock with QBS. If you click on this and Can I have few names of a company? So I will take 4 5 companies name and I will show you. KRBL, okay. Okay, anything else? India Mart, KRBL. Okay, so there was one news in KRBL. Okay, so there's one news in KRBL for ED. So I think from there it is coming. The director got arrested. So let us see KRBL first. So it will straight away tell you what is the quality of that stock, whether one should hold or not. Okay. So straight away you get to know it is in caution. If somebody who is investing in KRBL, they will be knowing that, okay, this is a caution. The next stock which I have in the list is India Mart. So let's check India Mart. So friends, now this is a tool where you can which you can use if you have got any kind of tips from your broker or any friend. You can confirm whether the stock is of good quality or not. Let us go to India Mart. Now I will also tell you, after showing 2 3 things, I will also show you how does this tool work. How do we decide on quality of a stocks? Okay, so we have India Mart. So it will tell you it's a moderate company. So as soon as you get to know that this is a moderate company, you will get to understand, okay, my friend is suggesting uh, India Mart, India Intermesh, but what will happen? India Mart Intermesh, but I can understand that I will not make much out of it. अभी not make much out of it का definition क्या? What is the definition of not making much out of a stock? The definition is that in rising market we might not get very good return in this stock. Okay, index will rise by 10%, this may rise by 8 9%. But if index fall by 10%, we might see 12 13% fall in India Mart Intermesh. So friends, this is what is the definition of moderate. So this is not a great return giver, India Mart Intermesh. Okay, as per the understanding. Then we have, so let me show you how do we decide on the quality. So what we have done, we have given numbers for the quality of the stock, like the quarterly results, the recent quarterly results. So we have recent quarterly results, sales growth and profit growth. As company has done sales growth as well as profit growth, so we will give him 2 marks. There was positive sales growth, EPS growth, and positive sales growth. So we have given 2 marks. Last year, company has positive sales growth, positive profit growth, and cash flow positive. Return equity was also very good. So we have given him 4 marks. But in 2018-19, company struggled in profits. Company struggled with return on equity. So we have given it only 2 marks. Then before that, it was struggling for cash flow and return on equity. Only sales and profit growth was doing well. So we have given 2 marks. So what will happen? As soon as March result will come, as company has been recently doing well, it will turn into a, so it's a step. Okay, it's a step. The company become from poor, it become good, moderate, then it become good, then it become a great company. So you will get to know. And see what happened. We generally invest in a poor company thinking that it will become great or buy or moderate. But friends, please understand this. 80% of the poor company, only 20% of the poor company becomes great or a good company. So only 20%. 80% stays poor only. Okay, so that is the reason one should avoid investing in poor companies. Bet बहुत ही खराब है, ratios जो हम लोग bet कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ही poor होती है. That is the reason we should only invest in either good company or great company. If you are investing in moderate company, we need to be very alert. Okay, because things can turn very fast. Okay, so yes, it can become, that is what I'm saying, the company can become great company. Okay, but we need to, when it is in moderate, we need to respect the moderate. Okay, we can't like this is like we can't ask a 3-year-old child to do job. Are we going to say a 2-year-old guy child to do job? No. Or a 2-year-old child to give 10th board or 12th board or graduate? No. That when the time will come, then he will give graduate. So similar way uh, similar way we need to follow the system of stock market. Okay, investing in stock. If stock is a moderate stock, do not think that this stock will do very high or will do very well. So friends, I've shown you two companies, okay, and I've got queries for so many companies. So friends, you all guys be sitting in front of your system. So I want you guys to write on chat, not only to me but to everyone. So you select all panelists and attendees and write like Gopal ji, I want you, Gopal Devi Shetty ji, I want you to please go to valuestocks.in and see what TCS is. Is it as a great company, moderate company, or a good company? You need to tell us. Can you do this, Gopal ji? Gopal Devi Shetty ji. Yes, Gopal Devi Shetty ji. Can you please uh, visit to valuestocks.in? Can you tell us all that what TCS is? Is it is a great company or a good company or moderate company or a poor company? You need to tell us. Similarly, Peer Mohammed ji, you need to tell us for PEL, Pyramid Enterprise. Kiran Kumar ji, you need to tell me for ITC. Om Prakash ji, you need to tell me for IPCL, so that you guys can know. Like I may not be there with you guys for tomorrow, from tomorrow, so you guys can easily go to Value Stocks. Okay, Gopalji has given on Android. He's checked. It's a great company. So Gopalji, you need to write for all, no issue. TCS is a great company. It's a good company. It's a good company. TCS, I think it isn't great. Let me check TCS. I'm talking. Please look this information from valuestocks.in. Please check this information from valuestocks.in. Friends, please, there are 110 people right now on webinar. I would request everyone, any, very easy. Atulji, let me show you again. Just go to valuestocks.in. I'm again sending you this link. Go to valuestocks.in. और जिनको भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि दे कैनॉट able to understand और नहीं देख पा रहे हैं, they can ask me query, then I can resolve. Like, let me click this. Let me send you on chat. Okay, I have sent this link. So friend, I may not be there tomorrow when there's market. Okay, when there is market and you need to decide, you got to know any stock, and now you want to know what is the quality of that stock. So you cannot ring me and ask me, sir, bata dijiye quality kya hai. So you need to do it from yourself. So don't go by lock or open. Just Sanjay Devnath ji, tell me the stock which you are seeing, with the stock which you are checking. So let me show you once again. Like, let me also log out. Okay, let me also log out from that from the website. And now I am like you, I don't have a login ID password with me. Okay, so let me open this and select winning stock with QBS. Click on select winning stock with QBS. How many of you have got this? How many of you have got this? Okay, select winning stock with QBS. Only one person is doing this. Only one person is doing, or at least anybody who did not got valuestocks.in, click on select winning stock. Friends, the thing which we are learning today, it's of great use. It's of great use. Please do with me. It would be a great help for you. Markets में there are like क्या बहुत ही क्या कहूँ मैं, डिफिकल्टीज क्रिएट करने के लिए लोग बैठे हैं इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए, इनोसेंट इन्वेस्टर्स को. फ्रेंड्स, ये वेबसाइट एक ऐसी वेबसाइट है जो इनोसेंट इन्वेस्टर्स को बचा सकती है। ठीक है, तो प्लीज लॉग इन, प्लीज ओपन दिस valuestocks.in, ओके, एंड लेट मी ओपन दिस। सो किनको ये समझ में नहीं आया, ओके, all IT stocks showing as great, but those are overvalued, right? That is second thing. See, please friend understand, undervaluation, overvaluation is a separate thing. Undervaluation and overvaluation is a separate thing. First you need to understand quality. Quality का मतलब क्या हुआ? मान लो आपके घर में, या you all are doing business or you are appointing someone to work for you, either in house or somebody is doing quality work, he will charge more from you if somebody will do quality work. Do you agree or not? Do you agree or not, friends? If anybody is doing quality work, he can charge little bit more. There's no harm in paying more for quality work. So वहां पे आपको वर्क मिलता है जहां पे आप क्वालिटी वर्क के लिए एक्स्ट्रा पे करते हैं। यहां पे अगर आप वैल्यूएशन के लिए ज्यादा पे करते हैं, then you get good return. You get good return. So investing in quality stocks. So focus should be on investing in quality stocks. But yes, वहां पे अगर कोई क्वालिटी आदमी है, if you are getting some quality work person who can work for you, and if you can get discount. लेकिन रियल लाइफ में जनरली ऐसा होता नहीं है। लाइक if a 5-star hotel, two people approx cost is around 5,000 on, or if any day they announce a 50% discount or 30% discount, we generally rush and buy it. We rush and have dinner or lunch over there. Why? Because they provide quality food or quality ambience or quality experience. Okay, so but still, in normal days, if I want to enjoy quality service, I want to enjoy quality food, I need to pay 5,000. So मुझे खाना तो मिलेगा. In a similar way, if I am investing in a quality stock, even if it is overvalued, I will get return. Maybe बहुत लोग बोल रहे होंगे कि ये क्या बोल रहा है, लेकिन that is a real truth, friends. This is a real truth, that even if you invest in a overvalued stock which has great quality, it will going to give you return. So please do not think much. Do not think much about valuation. Okay. So let us check once again. So friends, मैंने आपको जैसे दिखाया, the first tab, select quality stocks with QBS. If you click on this, okay, anybody who did not able to find how to check quality stocks, we have 101 people. Aditya Birla, okay, let me check Aditya Birla. Aditya Birla Capital. So we will click on no quality score of Aditya Birla Capital. So it is saying that the score is between 10 to 14 and it's a moderate company. So it's a moderate company. So, okay, I cannot expect much from it. It will give me a decent return equivalent to the benchmark, not more than that. So friends, anybody who is not been able to, so Dinesh, did you got your answer? Friends, now you need to tell me, please don't ask any more queries. You need to tell me, are you understanding? You can see 3M India. Let me show you for you 3M India. It is a great company. So if you are holding or investing in 3M India, you can invest. So अगर आज market जब बढ़ रहे हैं तो 3M India was a great investment. Yes, you can. This is who? SAR. You can invest. See, blindly or for blindfold, or please don't use those words. Those are very difficult word to answer in stock market. But yes, if you are investing in a great quality companies, the companies which we have given as great, you are surely going to make money. Surely going to make money. The drawdown compared to poor companies will be very low. Like if poor companies fall by 60% in falling market, they will fall by 25-30% maximum. That to COVID kind of scenario I'm talking. Okay, but in rising market, if other companies are rising by 10%, you will see these stocks rising by 30%. So this is the kind of return giving capability these stocks have. Yes, you need to hold, Rahulji. If Hindustan Unilever, you need to be have patient. Like see, friends, it's मैं कैसे समझाऊं आपको ये बात कि it's not about price movement. मैं आपको फिर बता रहा हूं. If you remember, like anybody saw silver price today, it rose like anything. It rose like anything, 4-5 thousand rupees up move. It was long due. The quality was good. Why quality was good? Because it moves in tandem with gold. So gold has risen previously, but silver didn't. So what happened on single date burst? So in a similar way, if you have your investment in quality stocks, quality का यही benefit है कि कभी भी आपको एक बड़ा move मिल जाता है. So your portfolio, which is long awaited in going up, will suddenly shoot up. So what about IPCL company? Om Prakash ji, I want answer from you. I want answer from you. Please, friend. Please don't ask me queries on companies now. I have trained you. I have trained you how to fish. I have trained you how to fish. Now you need to fish and get your food. आपको अपना मैंने आपको आपका तरीका बता दिया कि आप कैसे क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हो. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप इन आइडेंटिफाइंग क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स. ओके, आर वी कम्युनिकेटिंग फ्रेंड्स? आर यू गाइज विथ मी नाउ? Are you guys with me? No answer, no raise of hand. 8 people I think raise hand. Yes. So friends, valuestocks.in में जाके आप आज ही अपने सारे स्टॉक्स के बारे में आइडेंटिफाई करिए. बहुत ही सिंपल वर्ड्स में वी हैव रिटन इट्स अ ग्रेट कंपनी, गुड कंपनी, मॉडरेट कंपनी और अ पुअर कंपनी. So these are 4 words which we have written. You don't need to subscribe, you don't need to do anything. Now you want those list of great companies, like you want, there are 131 such great companies like 3M India. Now it's worth knowing name of these companies. Okay, for this you need to subscribe to us, or what you can do, you can come to one-to-one session that we have organized, that is also free of cost. Okay, where you can know, see, we need to provide you a detail, so we are charging in that amount. So you can come to this one-to-one session. Okay, in this one-to-one session you can have multiple queries regarding stock market, regarding your holding, regarding what to do next. So you can discuss with them and you can subscribe to our services. Okay, this will help you in increasing your profitability. This will help you in not losing much in falling market. Like बहुत लोग हैं जिन्होंने ये 5 दिन के 6 दिन के फॉल में they have squared off their position, they have exited their position. अभी उसमें क्या होता है कि बोलते हैं ना, गेहूं के साथ घुन भी पिस जाता है या घुन के साथ गेहूं भी पिस जाता है, whatever the कहावत is, it like with bad thing good people also has to suffer with bad people or with. So what happened, you may be having 10 stock. Okay, when markets are falling, if you are having 10-20 stocks, and out in that 20 stocks, if there are 5 good stock, what happened, coincidentally, because of not having understanding or because not knowing quality of those stocks, you need to exit all the 5 good great stock from your portfolio. And sometimes this happen with most of the investors, that they exit quality stocks and they keep those poor stocks with them. How many of you have experienced this, that you have exited quality stocks and kept poor stocks in your portfolio in a falling market. In your falling market, in falling market, you guys have exited quality stocks and kept. So this will help you in keeping quality stocks intact in your portfolio. आप बहुत बार कम प्रॉफिट में निकल जाते हैं. लेट मी टेल यू द ट्रुथ. एंड फ्रेंड्स, एक बात और मैं बता दूं आपको, यू विल बी शॉक टू नो दैट स्टॉक मार्केट में प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का सच खाली मुझे हमें पता होता है. those who are trading, those who are investing, you do not share this thing with anyone. हम लोग शेयर नहीं करते, and we keep on taking this stress on our mind. Oh, what I have done. So friends, please have a great companion with you, which is a value stocks. एक बहुत ही अच्छा कंपेनियन है, आपको बता देगा, जो आपको बता देगा कि आपका डायरेक्शन गलत है कि सही है, कि आपने क्वालिटी में इन्वेस्ट किया है कि पुअर क्वालिटी में इन्वेस्ट किया. इट विल एग्जैक्टली टेल यू वेयर योर इन्वेस्टमेंट इज. सो फ्रेंड्स, maybe we will not be meeting tomorrow. Maybe some of you guys may not be coming for next webinar, or even this can happen that you guys can come in one-to-one session. So I would request you all guys to have one homework from me. What is that homework? And take out your demat statement, the number of stocks you have in your account. Okay, so can I have numbers? How much number of stocks? We have 95 people right now. How many stocks do you hold? How many stocks do you hold? If you can write on chat. 10, 15, 20, 70. Okay, Sanjay Devnath ji, 70, 20, 50. Okay, only 5, 10 people. 16. Please 95 people. इसको इंटरेक्टिव सेशन बनाएंगे सर. अभी तक खाली 20 लोगों ने लिखा है कि अपने स्टॉक के पोर्टफोलियो में कितने स्टॉक्स हैं. प्लीज आप लोग भी लिखिए. 6, 10. We have, I think 30 people has written till now. 12, 30 people. Okay, 30 people are active. Most 66 people are like only listening. 575 Prasad ji. Oh my god. 26, 2. Shankar Dev ji, 6, 26. Okay, whatever. So those who have not written, no issue. So please today after the session, whenever you get time, either on Saturdays or Sundays, please take out the list of your stocks. Check which stocks is recommended good, which stock is recommended as great, which stock is recommended as moderate, which stock is recommended as poor. So the number of count you need to do. Okay, number of count you need to do. How many stocks? Like somebody is holding 50 stocks. If you are holding most of the great stocks, then you will exactly know where your portfolio will be after 2-3 years. If you have number of moderate stocks, more number of moderate stocks, you know your portfolio will not move much in future. Okay, so quality, there's one very great statement that Mr. Buffett has given. Time is an enemy of poor stocks and friend of great quality stocks. So with time, your portfolio will keep on going down, and with time, if you have good quality stocks, your portfolio will keep going up. Okay, friends. So please follow these great people. Their great understanding. Moreover, so the 4 fundamental parameters: sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and free cash flow positive, will help you in making great profits. And that is a tedious work. So to make your work little bit easier, we have created QBS based on profit growth, sales growth, and EPS, sales growth, profit growth, return on equity, and free cash flow. We have created QBS, which is known as Quality Business Score, via which you can easily get those stocks which are growing in sales, which are growing in earning profits, which is having a return on equity greater than 15, which is having cash flow positive. So friends, please follow those rules now, and please come join this one-to-one webinar. Okay, I would really request you to join this one-to-one webinar, which is a powerful way to know about your stocks, to know about your holdings, to have further query. बहुत लोगों को doubt होगा. I can understand you guys. It's not been very easy to listening to a webinar, a free webinar, and buying a subscription and using it for your investment or trading purpose, because first we doubt, then we clear our doubt, then we start trusting, and finally we trust. So there is a process of getting trust. We have right now we have got trust from 1300 plus per people who have trusted on us and are very happy with our services, very happy with our product, very happy with our Mohan Gaunji. This is we will not be providing about intraday training, but yes, you can fine tune on your intraday investments or trading. Okay, by trading in quality stocks. So sometime what happened, if you are trading in poor quality stocks, you will find it very volatile, and again your stop loss will get hit. But if you're investing in, and poor stock doesn't move with logic, they move on speculation. So if you have list of stocks, those are quality stocks in and you trade intraday, you are surely going make good profit than you are making in intraday right now. However, intraday is not a great strategy, and what we have tested, most of you will be losing money out from intraday. But still, if you are doing, our suggestion is invest, trade in quality stocks. Okay, Mohanji. So please, you can have a list of those 131 stocks that I showed. So please join this one-to-one webinar. This will help you in your investments. It will help you in your trading. It will help you in every manner for your investments, and in even in mutual fund, even in equity, everywhere. So while you are selecting your stocks, please select through this tool. Okay, friends. So you will be not be investing in poor quality stocks. Okay, friends. Any query that we can register, we can discuss. We have 82 people right now. So guys, now you can invest as per Gopal ji. You can, Gopal Devashetty ji, please join this one-to-one webinar. One-to-one webinar, and you can get understanding about AGS also. I'm doing trading for last 15 years. I think the system is best. So Deepak Singhal ji is writing, I'm doing trading from last 15 years. I think your system is best. Main problem selecting the stock, best stock among best companies. I think it is not available anywhere. Thanks, sir. I'm dividend oriented investors. There any way to check? Yes, it's very easy. If you want to invest in dividend paying stocks, so through our stock screener, you can easily go and invest in dividend paying stocks. It's very easy. Moreover, it will also tell you which of the companies, like while you are who asked this query about dividend, let me check that. So sir, if you are like, I don't know, DYNO, the name was SAR Samrat, Sarat Kumarji. Sarat Kumarji, let me also explain you. There should be two understanding while you are investing in dividend paying stock. The stock there should not be such stock like whose capital like that is capable of creating wealth with dividend. That is a great strategy. That means when you are investing 100 rupees, you are getting 5% of the dividend every year in your bank account, and this 100 rupees is also growing, maybe by 10%, 5%, 20%. But there should not be a kind of stocks. If you are investing in 100 rupees, you are getting 5% every month on your investment, but that hundreds rupees is becoming 80, 70, 60. So our tool help you to identify those stocks which has good momentum, which has good quality and dividend. So you get, so whenever you are investing in good dividend paying, you also need to check these three things. Okay, Sarat Kumar ji. Now, how about it is appearing on your QBS app? I, how about it? It is not appearing on. I don't know what. Larsen and Toubro. I think it will appear. No issue. Yeah, it is Larsen and Toubro. Okay, you can check, sir. Yeah. So Krishan Rajji, let me show you the subscription. You can see over here we have two subscription model, which is 4999 and 9900. We have 4999 and 9900. Okay, and you have different packages. So I would not be able to justify because there are many packages which can help you a lot, which can be availed as per the customer requirement. So once you join this one-to-one webinar, the link for this I have sent you on your on the chat. Please join this, and with this my friend will help you, my colleague who is in full time explaining this to the customers, who is into product development. He will be able to explain you each and every process how you can subscribe to this thing. So however, we have 4999 and 9900 as a subscription cost. Okay, which will help you to identify great stock. There are number of facilities. uh, okay, Galaxy G. So you can ask through Galaxy 7 of 7J. You can ask through one-to-one webinar, or you can directly call to our customer service team, so they will help you. So friends, please come for one-to-one webinar. This will help you in making good profit, and most important thing, it will help you not to lose money in stock market, not to lose hope in stock market. You will be very confident while you're investing. Okay, any query, friends? Any other query? Did you like the session? Did you like the session? Any other query? We have 72 people right now with us. Any other query? Thank you, Aditya Sharma ji. So I'm expecting you guys to join this one-to-one session. Any other query? Yeah, Danish, you can, if you have taken subscription, you can invest in stock market. No intraday tips, sir. No intraday tips. But yes, a stock market, great understanding tips are there. So we do not have any intraday tips. We can have quality, long-term quality investment tips, Krishna Rajji, which can grow wealth for you. And if you are trading intraday, you should invest in those quality, long-term quality tips, even if you are trading intraday, because this will help you to improve your return in intraday. Yeah. Okay. No issue, Vinayak ji. You can join this one-to-one session, and you can build a great portfolio for your son. There is one person, Mr. Vinayak ji, who want to build portfolio for his son who are working in USA. So, sir, you can invest in some of the great stock. See, India is an emerging economy, and we are doing very well as per the equity market concern. Only just we need to invest in quality stocks. If you can invest in quality stock, you are through. Your portfolio can grow like anything. So we have different strategies. So my colleague on the other side, if you join this one-to-one session, okay, you can please come to valuestocks.in, then click on book your free one-to-one training. Let me also send you this link. Okay, Vinayak ji, you can yeah, click on this link, and you can come to one-to-one session where you can understand, they will understand how much return you are expecting. So what strategies you, in which strategy you want, you can invest, so that you can multiply your investment, you can increase your return in future. So they will explain you each and everything. Okay, sir. So it will help you for investing for your son and creating great portfolio for your son. Anybody else? We have 54 people. Hope most of you guys have scheduled your one-to-one session. Seats are very limited, so if you enroll for one-to-one session, then you can, if you are enrolling now, you can get uh, you can get your preferable time for joining this one-to-one session. Any other queries, friend, or shall we end? Any other queries? Thank you for joining this webinar, friends. Thank you for joining this webinar, and please join one-to-one session. This will help you a lot in your investment, in your trading, in all kind of equity market investment and trading. Okay, thank you. Mohanji, please take one-to-one session. They will explain you.